When it comes to changing up methods for medical practices, not too many patients are up for the idea. Some are skeptical even. Well, let's see how you feel about this one. A new group of psychiatrists, psychologists, physiotherapists, and more on the island are adapting to a new form of therapy called emotional freedom, or Matrix. An internationally certified trainer who just completed a round of sessions educating local practitioners on how to conduct the new therapy techniques explains it to us.
Bit of a strange technique. It works on energy systems. What we understand is that our world, all aspects of our life, are a reflection of our beliefs. And with matrix reimprinting, we can identify what beliefs were formed in a traumatic event or simply as we grew up as children, and de-traumatize and change the beliefs that lead us to think that we are stupid, that we will never get anything right, that everything's going to go wrong. So we can go back and change these beliefs, and in doing that, if we then believe that we are intelligent, we are valid, and we increase our self-esteem.
The EFT and Matrix techniques are not being used by newcomers to the medical field. It is actually the opposite. Qualified practitioners who have been using the same methods for years are transitioning over and adapting to these new forms of therapy.
A whole range of professionals who are dealing with health issues amongst the community. They have learned these techniques with very intense supervision. It's not just been a couple of days of training, it has been very intense supervision to make sure that they understood the techniques and then could then use them in a very effective way with their clients. The impact that this project is going to have is absolutely amazing. We're just sort of settling in, and when I think of the big picture, it's like, oh my God, what have we done? They will take them to each of their areas of work and bring healing on a massive scale.
Those who swears by this practice says faster results comes from this type of therapy, and it is guaranteed.
What is remarkable about these techniques is that they are very quick. They are extremely efficient compared to the traditional talk therapies. They are just so efficient. Some of the therapists are just blown away and even find it hard to assimilate the changes that they see in their clients. One of the psychologists were telling me that she's been working with someone for 12 months now, and there was very little, if any, progress, and within 3 sessions, 3 hours of therapy with matrix reimprinting, this woman has taken a complete turnaround.
That is all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back here on Thursday night with a brand new edition of 15 on 15, where I'll give you the latest in lifestyle topics and the latest on the island.